Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and Fabric Friday. This package here is my last fabric haul for 2020. So I'm going to open it up, get the things out and lay them out so I can show you. This is all the fabric from my order and 2 packets of sewing machine needle sharps, which I do like. So I'll go through it. This is sort of like a cotton crocheted, so it isn't how I thought it was, but as soon as I saw it, I think I've got a plan in mind for that. There's 2 meters of everything really I've got. This I do like, and it's a lovely viscose drape to it. That I think is going to be a dress. I've got this similar to a Chinese brocade, and I think that might be a dress as well. But I'm not going to use them all up this year. I'll probably be doing save some for next year. This tartan isn't as nice as it looked in the picture, but I think I'll do a pair of trousers for that for the spring. This, I've opened it out so you can get the full effect of this, because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's stretch, velour, animal print, velvet. And that's going to make trousers and a top for me. I've got 2 meters of black stretch velvet, and that's probably trousers and a top, not sure yet. This, not sure about but I sort of quite liked it. And it was fairly cheap, so I bought it. I've got 2 more meters of this satin fabric, and I've got something in mind for this. This herringbone, it's thicker, heavier weight than it showed in the picture and what I can make out from the description, which shows you things turn out different than in real life, so you see what they look like and feel like, which you can't do through a picture. But I've got some ideas for this. So there is £50 worth of fabric, and as I say, I've got 2 meters of each, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 meters of fabric, 2 packets of sewing machine needles for just over £50. And that you're maybe wondering about is an advent calendar sent to me by Jane from America. Thank you, Jane. So I've got to find somewhere to put these now. Bye.